right? Dean Fraser, Jordan.
All right, Jordan.
Okay.
Cool. Respect, man. Yeah.
Right. It's yeah. You ready? Okay. You ready? Dean Fraser, it's a pleasure to have you here on the Musical Heatwave, and welcome to London.
Yeah, man. Give thanks. Thanks for having me. And you know, we're ready to talk to you anytime.
Yeah,
See?
well, it's good to know that. You know, always discovering talents, always sharing your knowledge, and within the last year or so, you've done it again, so to speak. Dwayne Stevenson, Taurus Riley. You know, what is it about Dean Fraser that always have this zest for the whole music thing? What is it?
Yeah, well, this is the only thing that I know. Seeing I did accounts, I did a lot of other things, but I have never worked in an office or do anything outside of music. See? So if I should run out of work right now, I don't know what I would do because I can't bounce back and do anything. So music is this is what I live for. And I'm always a person who basically just find the time to really look into young talents, people who I think will, do the music some kind of justice. You understand me? I really don't, I'm not into what we call, we call it, in the fraternity, we call it disposable music. I'm into songs. You understand me? And I discover people like Dwayne Stevenson and Taurus, right? And actually, them discover me still. Because them come to me and say to me, boy, this is what I want you to do for me. I'd like you to do this. And, them give me them talent to put it in the right place. So it's not only a situation that me discover them. You understand me? Them come to me and them say, well, this is what we have.
It's a two-way thing.
Yes, you understand me? And I personally appreciate them coming to me also, thinking that I am talented enough to share and put forward what they have, so that people will like it.
Indeed. I mean, we see you on stage, for instance, and you seem to be multitasking. I mean, you're 1 minute you're arranging the music, next minute you're doing the harmonies, you're working out the sound. That aspect of Dean Fraser, where does that come from?
Well, that is somewhere embedded in me from a long time. It is something that has been there for years. Is top 10 band days. Days that when I used to play dance music for people dance. And it's the days that I start to think not only about playing my instrument, I started to think about sound. I buy records and I listen to records and I listen what comes out of the vinyl. And I am saying we need to reproduce on a level, see? And so when we play live and all of that, we think about playing a cut above the record. So we try to make sound. We put a lot into how we sound and how the music is being played. You understand me? So that all of that is something that goes with you as a musician, as a producer, as whatsoever you want to be seen. Because you cannot, it don't matter if you sing a great song and people can hear what you said, then you understand me?
What amazes me, there seems to be no sign of you slowing down, Dean. And you make things so effortlessly,
Well, maybe, no maybe that a talent from Jah, and that way, there's nothing special that I just talent from Jah. And so I am able to do that, so I just do it to the best of my ability,
I mean, tell me, what do you look for in an artist? For instance, I mean, you have Dwayne Stevenson, and you have Taurus, different artists, quite individual people. What is it that you, Dean Fraser, want to bring out of that person? What is it that you look for? Tell me.
Well, if even since Dean Stevenson sit down there, so he might check out something, he might read something, right? Him a educate himself, you understand me? And him is like that. Taurus Riley is a man where him always a check out a book where I say something, you know, and things. So as much as they are two different individuals, them headspace are heading in the same direction. So they are able to well say things and do things and write things that other people would have just say, boy, the pot drop off of the fire, you understand me? But them man we just say, if you don't adjust that stone, the pot going to fall off the fire. And we are going to put this in place to catch the pot in case it drop off of the fire. So, you know, we have to tell stories, we have to tell them properly, we have to tell them so that people can feel and see what you are trying to say. We have to do all of this. And these two individuals are able to do so. Seeing they are not, and on top of that, they are great singers. Seeing Taurus Riley, one of the greatest singer right now, his melodies and his style is quite unique, quite different. And of course, Dwayne Stevenson is what you would call the singer's singer. Him have a range like the Atlantic Ocean, you understand me? So, them kind of way there, you know? So.
And without a doubt, a person that so humble, you know?
Yeah.
And as Taurus as well too, you know, which is a great thing about these people.
Yeah, well, humble is when it calls for, you understand me? So you know, I mean, and if you don't need to behave a certain way, you don't need to.
But and saying that, how do you deal with the ego tripping people? Because this business carries a lot of that.
Yeah, well, we really try to stay away from that. We have come across a lot of that.
Sure, of course.
I personally have come across a lot of that, you know. People have sent artists to me to be produced. And from him coming at the studio and him said the first thing, me know where we're producing. Really? No.
And you got no reservation in actually?
Me have no look here. The artist come at the studio and him start to tell me how he want to sing the song. Seeing, and so, you know, and it has happened on maybe 3 or 4 different occasions. You know, and me just said to myself, so immediately, I said, but wait, I don't understand this artist. Him company send him to me so that I can produce him. And him come in right away and start telling me how he want to sing him song and which part he want him song. I have had a young singer who, you know, him not really make it out there yet. And him check me, you know, and him excited him want to come record for me and everything. And him come to the studio 2 times. I mean, know him not going to ever make it as an artist. You understand me? I mean, I have to tell him. You understand me? Because him come and him start to tell me, say, yeah, watch out. Yeah, mom, more on the song go so. And more on the song go so. And, you know, me I say, but I'm here the producer and you them sing the song yet to me. You them know if me accept the song. Saying, but you want to tell me how the song go, you know, and all of that. So these are the things that I don't go with. You understand me? Dwayne Stevenson came the first time and him say, him sing a song. And I say, why you sounding like Boys to Men? Why you trying to emulate a Boys to Men situation? And him say, all right, listen this. And him say, we face real ghetto pain. We face real ghetto pressure. And I say, we're ready for record. Just like that. You understand me? Taurus Riley, the piano. Who can't stand it? You know, and you know, in there I play, who can stand it? So many things to distract you from Jah and all them things. And so we're ready for record. These are things, you know. I mean, I was instrumental in the whole upcoming of Sizzla Kalonji also. It's the same kind of thing. Sizzla come and him DJ a tune for me. I never hear a tune sound, so yeah. So me just say come. Me just say come, record. And these are things that you look for, you know. And I mean, some people will come and them sing a song for you or DJ a song for you and it sound good because all them life them a DJ and sing that one song. But when you tell them, say, sing something else, yeah, you know, so these are things that you have to look out for, and these are the things that, you know, help you along. I am exercising, jogging in the park, a guy come up to me, him say, boy, he's a wicked singer, you know, and thing. And I say, sing, let me hear, you know, because I don't want to be impolite or anything. So I stop, I say, all right, sing, I'm listening. And him sing a song, and him catch my attention. And I say, sing about Marley song. Me leave it for half hour, I couldn't even find one line. See, after half hour, almost 20 hours, I couldn't find one line. So you know what him do? Him into a song where him sing maybe the past 10 years and there's nothing else there. See, so you have to be careful of all these things.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
I must ask you, you've been recognized by the Jamaican government for your services to the music and out of Jamaica as well too. You know, what are your feelings on that? What are your thoughts?
And being recognized. We don't really play music to be recognized by anybody, but I mean, if we do the talent, if we are here, we have the talent, we are doing our work, and if the government thinks that we should be lauded, then, you know, we can't fight that. We accept it and we give thanks. But I mean, you know, this is not about material, you know. Yeah, this is about our industry. This is something that we have. I mean, Jamaica is, you know, indigenous. You understand me? Because what we do, we a little thing so what we can barely see on the map. Yet still we have a music where it's our own. See, now look how much countries you have in the world who have to adapt. You understand me? I say? So this is what we have to defend and defend right down till the last days. You understand me?
One last question. Tell me, what are your thoughts on the present state of the reggae music? Because a lot of people saying, boy, it's finished. There's problems going on. What are your thoughts? Tell me.
Well, I don't know who said finish, but usually reggae music has never started with something. See? And guess what? When some people catch up with reggae music was when Bob Marley dead, you know, and them realize how much million him worth. And them a say, I that the music I do. See, when the people in Jamaica realize what Bob Marley do, music gonna leave them long time, you know. See, and that's, if we follow those critics, talk rubbish about reggae music dead and all them kind of foolishness there, we would have still dressed up in some little dashiki and straw hat and sing Yellow Bird. You understand what I say? And we, look here, tell them people they forgot Germany a summer jam is a reggae festival, and tell them to tell me how much thousand, them have over 50,000 people there. If them go Italy, Rotterdam, them come back up and another over 50,000 people there. Reggae festival, not a rock festival, not hip-hop or R&B, reggae festivals. You understand what I say? And them people they are groove and our music alive and kicking, seeing in all part of the world. I just recorded with a group from Prague. You understand what I say? So I don't know where them get that idea from and what them talking. So them people need to leave the music and continue to do them little work with them I do. You understand me? And I am not telling them, I'm not enforcing anything from my music on them. If them want to listen to Beethoven, it's fine. I listen to Beethoven too. If them want to listen to Sting, that's fine. Sting is my favorite artist.
Interesting.
Yes, I listen to Sting too. You understand me? If them want to listen to Amy Winehouse, fine. Amy Winehouse is one of my other favorite artists. You understand me? And we have plenty. I am a Luther Vandross man also. Seeing, so it depends on the mood that I am in. Reggae is my music, you understand me? So them have to just leave that alone. And if them want to do that, if you want to go and listen to hymns, that's fine. Seeing, but don't say my music dead. Just leave it alone and deal with what you are dealing with, you know?
You're singing, obviously. You know, we know a lot of people here recognize Girlfriend, your big tune here.
Yeah.
When we're gonna get a vocal album from you again?
See my vocal album them now. And Dwayne Stevenson and them man there.
Okay.
Them man they have to sing through me now, you understand?
Dean Fraser, it's been a joy. You know, more power to your elbow, and thanks for all you've done for the music. You know.
Yeah man, well we give thanks and you know, we continue our works and God bless people of UK. We give thanks, we thank you for recognizing also young talents and young upcoming superstars, and so we give thanks and we love the concert the other night. Of course we must apologize, you know, you only got half of Taurus Riley, and we hope that the next time you will get the full.
Yeah man, that's the come. We're looking forward to that one.
Yeah
Thank
man,
you.
we'll give thanks.
And we need some more of these. We need some more of these. We need some more of these.
The big bad
The
sax.
big bad sax. No,
Yeah.
no, the big up.
Big up,
the
yeah,
jazz.
big up I mean, yeah.
The jazz album. Yeah.
Yeah, well, I wish that, you know, we'll be able to do more of these things, you understand me, so that, you know, people can understand what is happening.